Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetstudio.com and today we are going to do a kind of a preview of Nokia Asha 501, which is the latest phone in the Asha series from Nokia. I'm going to talk about some of the key features of this device. So we will give you a preview. This video is not a full review. We will come up with a full review very soon, and we have also done a detailed hands-on review of this device. You can watch that by clicking the annotation on the video. As of now, I'm going to talk about three factors of the device. First is the build quality, then what kind of UI you have on the device, and what is fast lane which we have on this device. Now talking about the build quality of Nokia Asha 501, the build quality seems to be pretty good and pretty premium if you actually take a look. This phone has a kind of a material, again the plastic which has been used from Nokia while manufacturing this phone is of very good build quality. And now the phone is made up of two pieces. One is the body of the phone, and then you have a back cover which is removable, as you can see, and you can always replace this back cover shell. It comes in different colors. You can have different colors for this particular phone. This one is the red variant which we have, and again the build quality of this plastic is really good. As you can see, you have rounded edges over here, as you can see, which gives you a very nice grip when you hold the device in one hand. The size of the device is also not very big, so it is quite portable to hold in one hand. It is very good in terms of the form factor. As far as the weight of the device is concerned, it is also not very heavy. It is only around 98 grams, which is fairly light. The overall grip of the phone is really good. Now talking about the different colors in which this device is coming, you have the black variant in which you have the back cover black. So the front will remain the same like this, which is black. On the black one you will have this portion, the back shell, as black. You will have it as red, as you can see. You can have it as white, yellow, blue or green, as kind of a one finger swipe UI. And as far as the OS is concerned, it is running on Nokia Asha software platform 1.0. Now to do any action on this specific phone, all you need to do is a single finger swipe gesture. You just need to unlock it like this. You can unlock the phone like this, and here you get the most important feature of this phone in terms of the UI. This is called fast lane, which actually tells you all the apps which you are running in the background, all the apps which you have accessed recently on this phone. Whatever you are doing on the phone, it will show up over here. If you are receiving any notification, they will show up over here. If you have ran some applications previously, they will show on over here. So you will have a complete overview of whatever you are doing on the phone, whatever you are tracking, it will come over here. And in order to access any of these applications, you just need to tap on them and it will open that application for you. Now again, to minimize any application, you just need to swipe your finger like this and it will minimize and take you to the fast lane. Now if you want to go to all apps, again you can swipe like this on the screen, and then you will be able to access all the applications within a single screen with a vertical scroll. That's all from us as far as the quick preview of the Nokia Asha 501 is concerned. We are coming up with a detailed full review of this device very soon. Do let us know if you have any specific questions for this device. We would love to help you. You can leave your comments in the comment section below for any queries regarding Nokia Asha 501. As far as the WhatsApp compatibility is concerned, this phone doesn't have the WhatsApp as of now, but it is going to come very soon on this phone. You can also check out the URL in the description of this video to know more features about this phone. The URL actually redirects to the Nokia website, which tells you more things about this phone as far as the features and the color options which you will get. This phone is going to be available for a price of around approximately 5100 rupees, Indian rupees again, and it seems to be a pretty decent choice, and we will let you know more in our full detailed review once we complete that. So do let us know if you have any specific questions. You can like this video if this video helped you. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.